Okay, guys, so if you're watching this video, it's because you just finished part 1. So this is part 2. You have looked at this chart, you've gone through every sound, and I bet you noticed that this last column of sounds is a little different. Let's go through these sounds together. Ch, f, sh, f, wh. So what's interesting is with these consonant clusters, you don't hear each separate sound. It makes one sound. So for example, when we look at skr, as in screw, we hear the s, k, skr. We hear the sound of each letter. But when we look at these, ch, f, sh, f, wh, we don't hear the a k and a h or a p and a h. They make one sound together. C and H makes one sound. Ch. P and H makes one sound. F. S and H makes one sound. Sh. T and H makes one sound. F. And W and H makes one sound. W. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use this clusters chart to help us see what consonant clusters are in this poem. So I'm going to read the poem first, and then I'm going to look for what consonant clusters I can find. In part 3, you're going to look at a new poem and see what consonant clusters you can find. The brook, grumbling, stumbling, fumbling all the day, fluttering, stuttering, muttering away, rustling, hustling, rustling as it flows. This is how the brook talks, bubbling as it goes. So the brook is another word for like river or creek. Oh my gosh, and I just love poetry. It makes such beautiful images in my mind. So now what I'm going to do is highlight the consonant clusters I find. The brook. I already found one. T and H make the th. So they make one sound, but if I look at brook, BR says burr, burr, and I hear the B and the R. Th, burr. Grumbling, there's a consonant cluster at the beginning. Stumbling, there's a consonant cluster at the beginning. Oops. I see the S and the T. Fumbling, not quite. Oh, but you know what I noticed? There's actually consonant clusters in the middle. In the middle too, on all of these. Bull, bull, bull. All the day. TH, there's another cluster that makes one sound. Fluttering. Full, full. F and L is a consonant cluster, as in flag over here. St. That is another consonant cluster, and we can find that on our chart over here as in star. Muttering away, rustling, hustling, rustling as it flows. Full. There's another one, F and L, as in flag again. This, TH. We've had this consonant cluster a lot. Here it is as in thumb, this. This is how the brook, there it is again. Burr, burr. There's brook again, so we can highlight that one. BR is in bridge. We can see that on the cluster chart over here. Talks, bubbling as it goes. I think we might have gotten all of them. Let's read it again now that we've pointed those out. The brook, grumbling, stumbling, fumbling all the day, fluttering, stuttering, muttering away, rustling, hustling, rustling as it flows. This is how the brook talks, bubbling as it goes. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and move on to part 3.